all too often you have too many wives, too many racers. They complain, talking about all we do is work on the race cars. You know, we got home from the track this Sunday, and when I got home, I had no hot water. So here is what I'm about to show you, what keeping it real goes wrong working on the race car, not the house. These are one of those stories. As you can see, I cut the outcoming line off my hot water heater. I turn it on, turn the flow on to the hot water heater. I have nothing coming out. So in my mind, I need to blow something back through it. So what we're gonna do now is, I went out to the garage, got a number 6A in, got some nitrous fittings. I'm gonna hook the nitrous bottle up to it, see if we can shoot some power through it, and see if we can knock loose whatever blocking the line. So here goes nothing. I think this fitting here will screw in there tight enough. I don't think we need to have a perfect content, you know, connection. I don't mind if some nitrous doesn't get out. And we're gonna put this fitting on. Uh-oh, light fell down. I got it. If it ain't the race car, it's the house. One or the other, Jesus. So now we're gonna put this fitting on like so. See if I tighten it up here. What are the pliers? I need the bucket here. I'm just, maybe sediment or something's built up in it. I'm not really sure, to be honest. But, and if it don't work this try, we'll go get a clamp to clamp this so to hold the pressure. And I don't know if it's, I think a cold bottle should be around 600 psi. That should be enough to clear it out. But what I'm going to do, I'm not just going to, so we got the house feed off, but we're going to open the emergency, so we have it has some place to blow out. So now that my line's hooked up, go to shoot our water heater and see what happens. Do not try this at home. I reiterate, do not try this at home. Here we go. Hook that up like that there. Say, you gotta always try something. Got race car parts to buy. We can't afford nobody working our shit. I'd say something worked.
Oh yeah. This should blow up.
All right. I think we got a better seal than I asked for. Thought for. Damn the flashlight.
I can't see it.
Oh, it's smoking.
I can see it now.
Yeah, I don't know what. Something worked. All right, let's turn on the valve, see if we got water.
Scared. I see smoke coming out, but now it might be frozen inside though.
The good news is
You say it's supposed to be hot water?
it blew a lot of the water out, so it's filling the heater back up now. Water's definitely flowing. Just kidding. Here we go. Valves open. Here goes nothing.
Told you. Big hard head.
Out. Go.
Did everybody get scared?
Out.
Did you?
Make sure you weren't hurt.
Basically.
What happened?
I don't care
We
about
got an
you.
EMT on the premises.
What happened?
Pressure.
Try it again.
Or he can do it again.
I think the valve closed.
You think?
All right, after that, I think we're good. Everybody freaked out. I'm calm, collective.
You jump. Don't even front. I got it on camera.
Yeah, we'll watch it. It froze up some stuff over here. There. So it's filling the tank back up. All right, good deal. We're gonna get the piece, connect the hose. Nothing else to talk about. Blowing out the crud. 500 shots of the heater. Nothing else to talk about. We're out.